Hi, it's Bess. Oh my gosh, I just figured this out about 10 seconds ago and I need to share with you guys. However, this is entirely reliant on the art being in the correct draw order to begin with, after being exported from PSD. This is a cheat code for the draw order. We're going to select the next one, so those are little 610. I'm going to grab this 610, scroll all the way up, hold shift to select all of it, make sure there's no warp deformers, and then in this draw order we're going to +1, hold control on the bottom, +1, hold control, and click on it to deselect, and then +1, and you're just going to continue doing that. Repeat the control click and +1. And you don't have to type in every single draw order anymore. And let me tell you, after 623 layers, you don't want to do that. I hope this helps. Have a great day, guys.